So BISP Solutions is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. So today we will be taking topic fixed assets management in NetSuite application. So first of all, we will be learning about the meaning of fixed assets management, which means like it is a process within an organization's accounting and financial management system which tracks, maintains, and manages tangible fixed assets like property, equipment, and machinery. So, effective fixed assets management ensures accurate valuation, monitoring, and recording of assets, allowing businesses to maximize their value and streamline operations. Then comes our features. So, first of all, helps us in tracking our assets and record and keep a record of assets which our business is having. Then depreciation calculation, it means like it applies and tracks depreciation methods for accurate financial reporting. Then comes our maintenance scheduling. So it ensures assets are regularly maintained, prolonging the useful life. Then comes our audit and compliance. So it helps with asset verification for audits and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. Lastly, it consists of asset disposal. It means it manages end of life for assets, including selling or scrapping. Then comes the benefits of having fixed assets management in NetSuite application. So it enhances accuracy, it controls cost, and it also improves assets by having a record and track of the life cycle of assets. Then it supports compliance, where it helps businesses meet financial and regulatory reporting standards. Lastly, increased efficiency. It means like it automates processes and reduces time spent on manual tracking. If we want to navigate through NetSuite application, so we have to go to these three dots in NetSuite application, and under that you will be getting fixed assets. So you can just access it from main menu. Then if you want to set up asset in your NetSuite application, you can click on asset. Sorry. If you want to set up your assets in NetSuite application for the first time, you can go to a setups option and then you can set up the page as per your business requirement. Then under setup, you can use depreciation or add any depreciation type in that particular option. Then we can also do maintenance logs in NetSuite application in our fixed assets management, which means like it tracks maintenance of assets, and it also tracks the asset condition that it is in working or it is now scrapped. Then it also include in this particular setup option only, and these options disposal process is also included, which navigate to dispatch or disposable section to record and finalize our asset removals. So, in conclusion, fixed assets management plays a critical role in an organization's financial health by maintaining accurate records and ensuring assets are efficiently managed throughout their life cycle. So, it is a leveraging tool like NetSuite can enhance these processes with robust automation and reporting capabilities. So, incorporating a strong fixed assets management process not only helps in maintaining asset value but also ensures compliance, cost efficiency, and better financial planning for organization growth. So, in our next video, we will be discussing about depreciation, types of depreciation, and many more to come. And also, we will be understanding in our coming sessions how to navigate fixed assets management in NetSuite application, how to make assets in NetSuite application, how to provide depreciation, how to list any asset in NetSuite application we will be learning in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and we will meet you next in our next video. Thank you so much.